So what happens if you break the bonds, the hydrogen-oxygen bonds in water to form the hydrogen and the oxygen? So that's what I've set up here. So you can see I have a container of water. I also have a 9-volt battery hooked up to 2 pencils. And the pencils, the graphite in the center of the pencil act as conductors of the electricity coming from the battery. And I have the battery hooked up, as you can see, to the tips of the graphite in the pencils. You need to look at this and determine, you need to evaluate this system. In this case, the system would be the water, the chemical reaction of water, bonds being broken to produce the hydrogen and oxygen. That's your system. And what you need to do is decide, is this an endothermic process or an exothermic process? Based on what you know about endothermic and exothermic processes, what would you consider this to be? And also, tying back, let's tie back to your understanding of the mini rocket lab, the ratio of hydrogen to oxygen that's required to form water. And then when you see this in reverse, you see the water molecule being broken down, hydrogen to oxygen. Think about the size of hydrogen atoms and the hydrogen diatomic molecule, oxygen atoms, oxygen diatomic molecule. Think about their size also, and just look at these, look at the gas coming out in the water. Let's take a look at the temperature. We were at 74.1 when we started. We're at 73.7. 73.8.